Graph r equals 1 plus 3 cos theta. In order for me to really understand what this graph is going to look like, I'm just going to draw out a regular old whatever 1 plus 3 cos theta is. You're my amplitude. I have a midline of 1, so I'm going to go up here. This is cosine, so it's going to peak out at 4, bottom out at negative 2, right? Regular period of 2 pi, so 2 pi. Pi is going to live here. And we're going to start up here, cross the midline at pi over 2. So go like this. At pi, we're at negative 2. Cross the midline at 3 halves pi, and then repeat back up here. Now, what is this going to look like? Well, at 0, we're at 4. So at degree 0, we're 4 units away. Then, as I approach pi over 2, I make my way to, what did I say this was? 1, because that's my midline. So as we approach pi over 2, we're at 1. So that's right around here. So I'm going to draw this picture that looks like this. And then at some point in between pi over 2 and pi, we hit 0. And at pi, we're at negative 2. So pi is here, but negative 2 is there. So we're still away from it, but we hit 0 and then come like that. Okay. As we approach 3 pi over 2, we're back to 1. So 3 pi over 2 is at 1, right there. So continuing this trend of me spiraling around, we're going to go like this and go right there. And then at 2 pi, we're at 4 again. So at 2 pi, we're at 4 again, so we go like that. Now, I took lots of French, and so I know this is called a limaçon. But basically, you have this weird circular shape-looking thing. Why do I even try? If you've been watching my videos, you know that that's pretty much the best I can do. But that's what it looks like. It just looks like that weird heart cardioid limaçon shape. Ugly.